Chicken and mushroom stir fry is one of those recipes you'll make over and over again. Simple ingredients, big flavors, and it's ready before you know it. Whether you're cooking for picky eaters or just need a reliable weeknight meal, this one delivers every single time. Let's start cooking. Here's what you need for this dish. Boneless chicken thighs or breast. I have chicken thighs here. Fresh shiitake mushrooms or any type of mushrooms you like. Sweet peas. A small carrot. Couple of cloves of garlic. Fresh ginger. And green onions. Remove the skin and any visible fat from the chicken. Then, cut them into bite-sized pieces. For the mushroom, brush away any dirt. Then, remove the bottom bit of the stem. Cut the bigger mushrooms in half while leaving the smaller ones whole. Remove the stems of the sweet peas. Cut the carrots into slices. Grate some fresh ginger. And while you're at it, grate the garlic as well. You can of course chop the garlic instead, but since I'm grating the ginger, why not grate the garlic as well? Separate the white and green parts of the green onions. Then, cut them into sections. For the sauce, in some water, add in like soy sauce, oyster sauce, Chinese vinegar, or regular vinegar if you do not have it. You can use more or less vinegar depending on how vinegary you want your dish to be. Sugar, corn flour. Stir your sauce till all the corn flour has been dissolved into the sauce. Then set it aside. To cook, put your pan over a high heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in your chicken in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes till the bottom of the chicken is golden brown. Something like this. Turn the chicken pieces over and fry the other side as well. When the other side is brown as well, and the chicken is fully cooked, remove them. In the same pan, without washing it, add more oil. Add in the mushrooms and the carrots. Toss this for about a minute or so. Add in some water. Let the water come to a boil. And cover. The steam will develop in the wok. This will soften the mushrooms and the carrots. After 3 to 4 minutes of boiling, most of the water would have been evaporated. At this point, if the wok looks a bit dry, add in more oil. Then, add in the ginger, garlic, and the white parts of the green onions. Fry all this for about a minute. Next, add in the sweet peas. Give this another minute. Return the chicken to the pan. Add in the sauce. Remember to give the sauce a good stir, as the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. When the sauce has come to a boil and it has thickened, pour some Chinese cooking wine and sesame oil around the sides of the pan. Incorporate the Chinese cooking wine and the sesame oil into the ingredients. Give this a good mix. Next, add in the green parts of the green onions. Give this a brief toss and turn off the heat. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, we are done.
And there you have it, proof that healthy homemade dinners don't need to be complicated or time-consuming. If this is the kind of recipes you're looking for, I've got some more videos in my playlist. Just click on the videos showing up right now. Thanks for cooking with me, and I'll see you in my next one.